To create a cinematic happy birthday video, let's pick a video document. We'll be using this landscape video. We'll come over to our design here and search for happy birthday video. You can go through all the templates. There are beautiful happy birthday templates that are here in Canva library. I'll select this template. You've seen that has dropped in the Canva editor. I'm going to take my playhead here. I still want to add more pages to this. I'm going to come into this happy birthday template and I'll select this page and add that. And I'm going to take my playhead again to come to this part. And I'm going to add the end part of this video. Let's collapse this. And you want to go over to position to see everything that is on your video page. So we are starting from the bottom. You can see this image. I'm going to select the image and I'm going to go over to my folder where I have my images to drag in an image into that frame. I'm going to pull this image and replace it with this one. And I'm going to select the frame and come over to this stroke style and give it this dot stroke style. I'll increase the stroke weight to 10. Going to click out. Let's still click on any page here and still go back to position to see everything that is in our video. For this name, so I'm going to edit this name to say what I want it to say. And I'm going to click out of the name, click back in. Because I'm wearing a yellow dress, sort of, I would like to change the color of this text. So I'm going to go into effects and probably change it to an outline effect and change the outline color to this color and change the text color to white. And I'm still going to go back into a position to see everything that is on this video. You see this website, you don't really want it, you're going to take it out. This text reads well, and we're going to just look through this position to see that things that we don't want in this video are not left in the video. And you can navigate your timeline by pulling it up so to also see what it is you're working with. Here you can see the timeline and see everything that is on your page. So I'm going to drag the timeline down for us to preview the video. To preview the video, you can either click on play here or you can click on preview here to start previewing. Once you're happy with your design, you can come over to share here and click on download. I like to download in high resolution and you will hit on download.